Hello and welcome to Total Television. I'm Brian Dolby and I'm reporting from the ICC in Birmingham, where I'm talking to Malcolm Corbett, who is the CEO for the event here, Next Gen 10. Malcolm, tell us about this event.
Well, Next Gen 10 is a conference bringing together a whole range of different people interested in developing broadband projects. It's the third time we've run this event, so it's an annual event here this year in Birmingham, of course. We have a fantastic group of people from the private sector. We've got BT and a whole range of other companies here, Virgin Media and a lot of smaller players. We've got the public sector, both local authorities and central government. So we have the head of broadband strategy. Yesterday we had the minister. We've got the head of Broadband Delivery UK, the organisation spending £530 million on broadband in the UK, who's going to be speaking in a few minutes. We've got a whole range of local authority people who are looking to see what can be done in their own areas to extend broadband coverage or next generation broadband coverage out to rural areas as well as in cities. We've got community people who are actually doing it for themselves in their own communities all over the country. So it's a good event.
And who's the organisation behind it?
Well, that's the Independent Networks Cooperative Association, which I run. It's a fairly new association created from the Community Broadband Network at the beginning of this year. It brings together a range of different organisations, both public, private and community sectors, in a new association who are working together in order to extend coverage. So in membership we have companies, large companies like Cable and Wireless and Alcatel-Lucent, smaller companies like Geo Networks. We've got community organisations like Alston Cybermore, we've got public sector, local authorities, Manchester City Council, Birmingham, Nottingham and some others as well.
Broadband is very much a talking point at the moment, so it seems like it's right place, right time.
Oh yes indeed. Last year when we had this conference in Leeds, there was a lot of people talking about what they wanted to try to do. You know, people were struggling to work out how to get things moving. This year it's really being delivered. We're seeing a lot of delivery both by the big boys like BT and Virgin Media, but also by smaller players, and there's money on the table, there's investment going in, it's all really happening now.
Okay, well thanks for talking to us.
It's a great pleasure, thank you very much.